and welcome back to Always Dolls. Today we are crafting a viewer's request for doll school lunch ideas. We have tried to create a variety of food. We have healthy options like fruit and vegetables, popcorn and sandwich, but we also snuck in some fun treats for the dolls. So, let's get making! For this snack, search the web for popcorn bag images. We liked the design from the site ohhappyday.com. We downloaded the template, resized it to suit 1/4 scale and printed it out. Fold over the blank tabs to make a bag that is 5.5 centimeters tall by 4.5 centimeters wide. Put glue or double-sided tape on the top, bottom and right flap. Now fold the left tab over, press and seal. Follow with the right flap. For popcorn, fill the bag with cotton balls. Then peel away the release paper. To seal the bag, evenly pinch the top closed, and your snack bag of popcorn is finished. Colour a scrap piece of white fun foam with watered down yellow paint. Take a rag and blot off the excess so the foam is only lightly tinted. Draw small circles onto your foam. We want at least 4. Then cut them out. Use the edge of a light green marker to colour the sides of your circles. For more detail, take a dark green marker and add lines to the foam. Draw W shapes to mimic cucumber seeds. Go over them with your darker green marker. You can leave the slices as is, or you can use glue to adhere them together in a cluster. We made the bread slices in the same way as our How to Make Doll Toast tutorial. However, we used a plastic ruler to press a diagonal line into each slice before allowing the clay to dry. You only need to paint one side of the bread. For the egg component, take the leftover fun foam from our cucumber craft and cut it into tiny pieces. Blend cream and yellow paint with liquid glue for a mayonnaise. Then add in the fun foam pieces and mix through. Carefully cut along the diagonal impression we made earlier. Remember to texture the exposed clay. Here we are using a flicking action with a toothpick. Next, roll a thin sheet of green air-dry clay and use a glue stick cap to cut circles out for our lettuce. Stretch the clay to an oval shape. Then wrinkle it up for dimension. Cut each leaf in half. To assemble the sandwich, put glue on your bread slice, then press on the lettuce. You want to arrange the lettuce so it slightly hangs off the edge of the bread. Spoon on the egg mixture. Try to fill any gaps. Next, glue on the top slice. Paint your bread crust a dark brown. Lastly, wrap your sandwich with kitchen film and it's ready for the lunch bag. For a snack, make a rectangular container from plastic packaging. The dimensions are shown on screen. Use sticky tape to seal the sides. Add another strip of plastic for a divider. Fill this section with leftover sauce mix. We now have the cheddar cheese dip. For the cracker itself, take air-dry clay and roll out a thin sheet. Use a round plastic cap or lid to cut out circles. Make indents with the back of a paintbrush. When dry, shade the top of the cracker with light brown paint. Again, Google search the snack images to screen capture and resize the lid. Before cutting it out, adhere specialty silver contact paper to the back side for foil. Glue just a portion of the wrapper to the container so your dolls can grab a cracker at recess. Start with a ball of air-dry clay about the size of a large marble. Wrap it inside a thin sheet of orange clay. Roll this on your worktop or between your palms to press out any air bubbles and smooth the clay. Take the tip of a paintbrush and make a divot. Texture using a clean, hard-bristled brush or toothbrush. Water down orange paint and shade the orange to pull out those details we made. For more realism, add some brown paint inside the orange pit. Lightly dry brush more brown paint over the orange. To finish, add a little green paint to the top. For a lunchbox treat, let's make chocolate cake bars. Cut small rectangles from a sponge. Ours are 2.5 centimeters long by 1 centimeter wide. Coat the sponge bars with a mixture of brown paint and Mod Podge. Squeeze on dark brown puffy paint for drizzle. Give the puffy paint time to dry, then coat the rest of the cake bar. Leave it overnight to dry completely. Cut a strip of packaging tape and place your cake bar in the middle. Cover the top of the bar with another strip of tape. Work from the outside in, pressing out the air to seal the cake bar. Lastly, cut away the excess tape, but don't cut too close to the cake bar. Great work! Everything is packed and ready for the dolls to take to school. We hope you liked these lunchbox ideas and encourage you to give them a try. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.